Hi everyone, my name is Laura and I'm going to be going over the top 5 Google Sheet functions for numerical data. For this tutorial, I have a list of 20 random numbers here ranging from 1 to 100, and these are the functions I want to go over: average, countif, length, standard deviation, and sum. I feel as if these are the most useful and frequently used ones by students. So to create any functions, you have to type in this magic symbol, which is the equal sign. And you have to do this because this is the only way Google Sheets will know if you're typing a function and you're not just typing text. So I'm going to start with average as my first example, and I have the formulas here listed on the right. So for average, the formula is equals and then average. You don't have to type it in all caps, it'll auto do it for you. So you can go ahead and click on average. And then I'm going to type in my range, which is A1 through A20, and you can find your range just by reading the top and side of the screen. So here I have 50.65. So for my next example, I'm going to find all the values that are greater than 50, and to do this, you have to use the countif function. Countif can be used for so many other examples, but since we're working with numerical data, I thought this would be a good example. So I'm going to type in equals and countif, and then my range, and then to find the ones that are greater than 50, you type a quotation mark and then greater than 50, end quotation mark, end parentheses. And you can see we have 10 values that are greater than 50. And then to find the number of digits, that's when you use the length formula, which is just len. And let's say I wanted to find it for A1, which is 42, so that should have 2 digits in it. And here you go, listed 2. But let's say I change it from A1 to A8, it should just have 1 digit because it's a number 1. Here, 1 digit. I included standard deviation in this video because I use it a lot in my classes and I thought as students it'd be helpful to know. So that one is stdev, which is just a shortened version of standard deviation. So you type in the range, and there you go. And the last one is sum, which is probably the most helpful and most basic function that you can use for numerical data. So sum and then my range. Oh, my bad. And there you go. I hope this helped.